with the sun. The third one in my shop of the Sky and Lake series. It is a reduction woodcut print. So how this works is I carve out the lightest area is the white, then print the next colour, a light yellow, then carve out that colour, and so on until I end up with the darkest colours, which is the final one to print, which is this dark grey and the ripples of the water. So I'm lucky where I live in Topol, some fantastic sunsets, so I frequently take my pooch Marcy for a walk and get heaps of inspiration. So this one also is 42 centimeters by 15 with a certificate of authenticity as well.